myself, one of these results is wrong, or maybe the inchworm is relativistically effective. I don't know. I mean,
so go look up Mendes, Thomas, and...
No, turn on red.
The knight who fought windmills. His perception wasn't that Don Quixote was an irrational man. His perception was that Don Quixote was rational in every area of his life but one.
Really? How do you fail that badly? What are the cones for?
And yet every article that's ever written about you is about us.
Yeah,
so
did not stop.
I would say if I was listening.
Take a look. I'm gonna make sure to have links to that as well.
No left turn, no left turn. You're attempting to turn left, and you got honked at. Red light, run.
Don't even start that shit. Don't even start that shit. You say that every time. Yes, you do.
Red light, run. Red light runner. Blatantly. Illegal U-turn. Does not move over. Does not move over. Does not move over. Really? Let me guess. Yeah, exit dive.
I'm an American success story. I've had so much bad stuff happen to me, both
No
at
turn
my
on,
hand
Rod.
and at the hands.
And so I reached out to a buddy who was a senior leader and said, dude, what happened?
Oh, what a
And
douche.
He said, I'm going to do that with joy in my heart and peace in my heart. Does that make sense?
Oh, what a douchebag.
Anything beyond
Second
that
straight
is a
one.
choice A. for you
There we
to
go.
be
Come on.
$100,000 a month from a woman. Get a job, you fucking bum.
Red light, run.
She had to rebuild it. It was really difficult for her. So now they trust everyone.
Yeah, no, it begs the question, like, is it worth it to try?
Or did people do it the other way? I don't know. I have no idea. But I do find it funny,
Red light, runner.
you know, documentary on themselves.
No,
I also
turn on
love
red.
the documentary, you know.
What the Really? And a left turn. Oh, jeez. And, okay. Then they almost hit. A left turn from a right lane and straight from the left turn lane at the same time. They almost hit each other.
We're playing the Rangers. We won the game.
Red light, run.
Sale pitched. It's like, Bill, do you really want to ruin a sundae over vanilla extract? You're going to put syrup on the pancakes. Who's going to know?
Red light, run.
You know what? It's not really work, right? Is there a black man that's
Really? You just opened up your door and littered?
stacked?
What an asshole.
Faces off.
Then we pretty much blown up every old building on the strip. So the mob culture is just not here anymore. It's history now.
Really?
Yeah.
Having said that, of course, this year marked the 90th anniversary of legal.
When you just upfront tell the company you pay the company for a burial spot, and I don't want to do that. I just don't want to do that.
It's still red.
But they're not the best way to spend your money. This is not the best way to spend your money at all. That money could be, instead of spending about $5 per meal on my meal plan for my workout regimen, right? So what I did was I adjusted inside of my budget, like, hey, if I'm going to do meal plans, then my grocery bill doesn't need to be this much because I'm not going to use all these groceries. So I'll go buy in bulks. I'll go over to Costco and I'll buy in bulk, so the same things that I need throughout the month. Then I'll just go to the
hell's this guy doing?
$5 per meal. That's $15 for a day. When some of us actually spend $15 on one meal. And so I actually worked it out of my budget to where actually my...
Oh, exit regret up there in front of that school bus.
/roots/nonprofits live. And if you're in the Discord, check us out at tiny.cc/ACA Discord. So yeah, check us out, subscribe.
Exit dive.
Right.
Yes.
And you're a sweet little southern thing, and this is how you're supposed to
Did not
keep
stop.
your house and your keys.
Red light run.
Person that you and I look up to, admire, follow, has one thing in common.
Did not stop.
And that's feelings.
But in our hyper-divided world of the in-group and the out-group, tribes are too often cheating worthy causes.
Your particular workplace. If you don't feel safe with your direct boss or supervisor.
What are you doing in the middle of the intersection, dude? Oh, what Jesus? And he can't even turn left there. And a red light runner. Red light run up there.
It's our 5-step process. There won't be. It'll be hard. And now with the
Okay.
variants on, there's other schools talking about going back online just to start the school. We're just going to keep figuring this.
It's an open floor plan. I just feel like you're in this
No turn on, red.
library.
To navigate a basic doctor's visit.
Yeah.
What
Well,
field? I'm sorry.
Left turn regret.
One day, I will be on one of those clips. Today's show is going to be fantastic. Today's show is going to be more like, you know, how do we narrow this down to like the 4 funniest seconds?
What are you?
Well,
Figure out where you're going.
For
Red, nobody.
I'm sure the nonprofits are going to be all over that one shortly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh!
Okay. So,
Amazing.
Oh, they hit over there. Their light obviously wasn't green.
In case hiring ramps up next year, according to CNBC. Meanwhile, fast casual mainstay Chipotle.
No turn on, red.
Vegas doesn't finish first. There's going to be a lot of comments about how.
There's center turn lane, dude.
The window, like they have to win that position. I think Colorado is the
situations. Going to grab a coffee with somebody, right? And have you done that yet?
No,
Okay.
I'm still trying to. I think it's
that was a red light run.
Dick and Harry on the same counter as they rolled out the dough. Yeah, when I explained this bothered me, she said how I was jealous and needed to get over myself.
Vegas are welcome is on stage. The nation's top African-American entertainers.
Just roll through the stop sign.
From her family out kind of in the middle of nowhere, and you know, they were very volatile.
Didn't stop.
She obviously had mental illness back then.
Spreadsheet that I can know, is that, are those numbers?
Pull your fucking pants up.
Kevorkian, for those who may not be familiar with the story, who's an American pathologist.
Did he just roll right through?
Fame back in the 70s, throughout the 80s, and into the early 90s.
That guy definitely didn't stop.
For being a fierce advocate.
Didn't stop.
I think room. Bye. Have a nice day. You're out of here, and I'm going to make room for somebody else. No
Don't
question.
turn on red over there.
And you like that.
And you know, you're going to cut off a guy.
Oh, Jesus. And it turns out he's been hanging out at a Denny's this whole time. He's just been waiting for somebody to show up.
That's exactly.
What are you doing? There's a
But
car
this
coming.
week, we are going to open up the show with an article LGBTQ Nation. Now that's just
The result of that is that they absorb their politics from pop culture
Red
and
light
from mass
run.
media, even from the West. So
It didn't stop.
Author of a couple of books with Jake, Roberta Olson. Roberta, welcome.
Thrilling to be here.
Did not
Neil,
stop.
You're actually a neighbor of.
I'm obsessed with quantum physics, and you'll look at certain molecules,
Exit
neurons,
dive.
whatever you want to call it, and
I could see Ron was getting the bug to want to manage us again. He even said he would make a great manager.
Exit dive.
And they're allowing compound interest to become their best friend.
Left turn, regret.
They're breaking up with Salina.
And then maybe we can engage with them a little bit more. Sincerely, use the email. Don't just call in. Do the legwork, as you say.
Asshole
and
left.
get this knocked out.
We submitted our last payment on the
Red light
student
runner.
loans. We were with her.
I always
sat
catch
down
one
with
here.
her. So just
If you do that,
Walk
then
around with bike reflectors on.
that's all you'll get.
It didn't stop.
So if you just clad your body with bike,
Even though I really I end up playing both sides because I can argue it both ways.
Red light run.
Things I
But, you know, I was just...
No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be here if you are in Connecticut. No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. No trucks in the left lane. This is Connecticut. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next video. Okay, bye.